So in this video we're going to look at the try command in Python. Now this is very useful when you are expecting a particular type of information to be entered by the user, but they may be entered the wrong format. For example, we here in this little program here, you can see we're expecting a number, an integer, to be input. And if the user doesn't enter an integer, it's going to error out. So this could be important if we're just doing a text-based program with a menu, for example, where they have to press 1 for an option. So if I just run this program to give you an idea of what happens, if it says enter a number, and if I don't enter a number, we get an error, and it doesn't look so fancy. So what we want to do is try and control that error and ultimately prompt the user to actually enter a number. So what the try looks like in Python is literally the word try with a colon, and because it has the colon, we do need to tab the indent there. And then if that does not give us the input that we're after, if it gives us the wrong type, we say except value error, another colon, and under there indented we can print the actual response. So it might be like, or sorry, I'll say actually that's not a number. Okay, and then the program will end. So if I just run this, enter a number, if I don't, we get a personalized error message. Now the program is still ending, so we're going to need to do something to get that to continue to run. But you can see this is much more attractive than the default red error that we get here in shell. So to get this whole thing to run, we're just going to pop it into a while loop. So what I'm going to do is say while, and the condition is true. So while true, the following stuff is going to work. So I'll just need to tab all of those lines in, and you can actually just select all of your code and press tab once, and it should indent everything one tab stop. So what this will do now is this will continue to loop and keep going through. And what I will do here though is I will put a break in the try section so that if we do actually enter a number, the loop will stop. Otherwise it will just keep going and going. So if I just F5 that to run it, if I say it says enter a number, if I put in some text, prompts me, it says that's not a number, but you can see the loop continues. It wants me to enter the number. So I put a number in now, the program now breaks out and ends. So what we now have is some code that will actually prompt the user to enter the code, the proper type of data.